There is the machine, it's Formax Omnimax S4. Okay, what we need? We need to replace the water filter. So we need to open the machine. What we are doing? We use the set of Allen keys. And we have two screws here. One is here and second is here. I mean on the top of the back. One here, second is there. We just open them. We open two Allen screws. Okay, we took out both screws, then we just lift the cover. Okay, when we open the cover, we have two screws. One is here, Phillips screw, one is on the other corner. We open those screws and all the back part, all this back wall opens. When you open the back wall, you need to open three screws that are located here on this wall to remove this wall. Okay? The screws are, two screws are here, one, two, and one is on the back, means it's usually here. So once you open those two screws, you just push down on the wall and remove it. Okay? You just remove the wall, the small pins sitting on those holes. And here's the filter. You just replace this filter. You cut those plastic holders, you take out the filter, you replace the connectors going from front and back, and you replace the internal part. So new filter is only body and cover, no connectors and no internal part. So you take them from the old filter and you have the Teflon band. I put it in the package. So you just replace it, put it back, have with you two plastic ties, holders, strips, approximately at least 6 inch length, and put everything back in the reverse sequence. You put this wall on the place. You put the screws on the wall from the back and two on the top, then you close the back wall, and with two screws here and there, and then you close the upper part with two Allen screws. That's it.